are going to be using PLA as a support for a PETG project. I have these battery inserts that have a pretty rough overhang right here, and I'm going to use PLA as an interface. So go to your tab of supports, enable supports, pick type you want. We're just going to go with snug normal. We want it to be not on the plate. We want to be like inside to support that area there. Your default material, which will be your PETG. You can use it as default. Your support interface, you're going to pick your PLA. And this is what's going to be interacting with the base of your project. Here are your values. Take a screenshot of these if you have to, but it's basically top and bottom Z distance is at 0. Rectilinear I find makes a good outcome. And yeah, 3 top layers. You want a good interface with the project. Now, when you're using PETG and PLA on one nozzle, you do have to purge a lot. So when you go up to your flushing volume, so normally they're set pretty low, but you want to really like double this up when you're going from your PLA, which is my yellow, to my PETG, which is my gray. I'm going to bump that up to like 700, which I find works pretty good. Because if you don't do that, you'll have PLA in your PETG contaminated. It won't be as strong. You'll actually have like layer shifts or not even bond to each other. And when you're going from your PETG to your PLA, it doesn't need to be as much, because if it's contaminated, it just makes it break off easier, really. So give yourself, 350, half of your 700, and then press OK. Make sure it saves. Hit slice. You'll see that the top will be getting interface with PLA right there, which is pretty cool. And we're happy with all that. Send it off to the printer. And yeah, good times. We'll show you what it looks like in a minute. Alright, so we got the prints done. We have the support material with PLA. Now we're just gonna rip it out. It's gonna be smooth like butter, I bet. Alright, so great. That's what you want. Just comes right out. Look at that. Ooh, it's nice. Alright, so I already took one off. It looks pretty clean. Everything popped out really nice. Not bad.